Good day everyone and welcome to KTech Solutions video tutorial. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make use of Grammarly for grammar corrections. Okay, so without taking too much of your time, we are going to log into our Grammarly premium account. If you don't have a Grammarly premium account, you can have only some few suggestions by the Grammarly. But to have access to the full features of the Grammarly, you need to subscribe for a premium account. A premium account goes for as low as $150 per year, and that is a big deal if you are in a developing country like Nigeria. So if you want to get a premium account, stay tuned till the end of the video. I have something for you. All right, so let's begin. First of all, you go to www.grammarly.com and you click on. Once you are on the Grammarly homepage, this is what you are going to see. So if you don't have an account, you are going to come up here to sign up for a free account. Okay, and if you have an account, you are just going to click on login icon here and then log in with your account. So once you are on this page, you simply type in the email address of your Grammarly account and then you click on continue. Once you continue, you will now be provided with a space to type in the password. Type your password and then click on sign in. And once you are signed in, you will be taken to the Grammarly editor where you are going to edit, correct all the grammar mistakes for your writing. Once you are here, you can see some documents here that will check their grammar mistakes, and if you have not checked the grammar mistakes of any document, you can actually you see everything blank with just a new upload here. So for us to check any document, we can either upload the document or we can just click on new and copy and paste our documents. So to not waste too much of our time, I'm going to just click on new so that I can copy some text and show us how to check the grammar mistakes. So once you open, this is the Grammarly editor. Okay, so now I'm going to go and look for some text that I'm going to copy and bring it down to the Grammarly editor, and then I'll start editing it in few seconds. Okay, I've copied some text from somewhere and I'm just going to paste the text. I can paste the text by clicking Ctrl V, or I can simply right click and then paste. So I'm going to just click Ctrl V. Okay, after pasting your text, the Grammarly is going to prompt this page asking you to set a goals, like what do you want to do with your writing. Is it for academic purposes, is it for business, or is it a general audience that is going to read your article or whatever you are writing, or is it an email that you are going to send, maybe a business email or an official email that you are going to send to your staff or some other things. So you select the mode or the domain of your writing, and in my own case I'm going to select academic because this is an academic work that I'm going to use as a sample. So after selecting the academic, I'm now going to select the type of the document. It's a report, of course. If you are writing a report, maybe you have carried out a research and you want to write a research paper to report the findings, you are going to use report. And after clicking on report, then we now choose the type of referencing that we are going to make use of. And in my own case, I'm going to make use of the APA, American Psychological Association. So I'll leave it to APA, or I can change it to MLA depending on the types of referencing I use in my writing. So I'm going to use APA style. Once I'm done with setting the goals of my writing, and I can come here and click on done. So after that, I'll now start editing my documents. Okay, so you can see inside the text here all the highlighted areas, underlined areas with different colors, they mean different things. Okay, and somewhere in the middle here you will be seeing all the suggestions we have from the Grammarly to improve our writing, to correct the mistakes and improve our writing. So now, First of all, Grammarly is giving us a suggestion here that are we going to use straight quotation or curly quotation. So if I select I'm going to use curly, then I'll click update all. So anywhere I use quotation, Grammarly is going to correct it to make sure it use the curly ones, not just straight quotation. So I'm going to click on update, and all issues concerning that will be corrected. Then I'll click on this next issue. The next issue is comma. Grammarly is telling me that I should add a comma, then it's correct. I should add a comma definitely. Then after that, Grammarly is giving me a suggestion here, and it is telling me that I should remove this phrase, which is not necessary. So I can accept it if I like. I can also not accept it. Then I can click on accept. Before we continue on the corrections, I want to draw your attention to these suggestions. you, you can see all suggestions here. After clicking on all suggestions, you're going to see correctness, clarity, engagement, and delivery. So these correctness are the major grammatical errors, while the clarity are some suggestions by the Grammarly to help you improve the clarity of your writing. And the engagement assist with like synonyms usage. It helps you to make use of more words, and delivery help you confirm like like it helps you become more confident and make you improve in terms of expressing your ideas. So first of all, I can select I want to correct all the correctness mistakes, the grammar, the true grammar, where there is no comma, where there is no full stop, where there is issue with the tenses and verbs agreements, and then I'll after that I can go to the next issue. So we have 23 corrections in this case. So the Grammarly is telling me that after this liberty I should remove this comma, and then the next one is this free, this single quotation after the word free is not, it shouldn't be there, so I should use free. So now there should be comma after but Berlin 1979, and there should be another comma here, which was not in my initial writing, so I should click on accept. I'll continue to check all the mistakes identified by the Grammarly and be accepting them until when I'm done. So I'll keep on doing this, and I'll keep on correcting the mistakes until everything is done. Once I'm done with the corrections, I can download my work, or I can just copy everything and paste it back in my document where I was writing. So that is how to make use of the Grammarly. Then secondly, there is another thing I want to show us how to make use of. You can make use of the generative AI. For example now, like in this case, this particular paragraph, Grammarly, the paragraph reads as, but on the other hand, Isaiah Berlin promoted two major ideas by focusing on developing the concept of pluralism and liberty. In two concepts of liberty, Berlin highlights the pluralism. So I can ask Grammarly AI to improve these particular paragraphs by coming, after highlighting the text, I'll come here and click generative AI, and then I will tell the AI what exactly I want to do to the writing. For example, now I want to I want the AI to make it sound more academic. So I will type in make it sound more academic, or I'll select from the options. And now the AI will rewrite the paragraph to make it more academic. So look at it now. Isaiah Berlin's work emphasized the importance of pluralism and liberty. In his essay, Two Concepts of Liberty, he argues that values are pluralism that and freedom can be understood as both. So it depends on what I want to do. I can make use of this generative AI. So once I'm done, I can select insert, or I can delete if I'm not okay with what Grammarly gave me. So that is briefly how to make use of Grammarly editor. You can also install the Grammarly Chrome extension, and it will allow you to make use of Grammarly anywhere you write in Chrome browser. Additionally, you can also install the Grammarly add-on on your Microsoft Word, and if you do so, it can help you be correcting grammar mistakes as you are writing in your words. For example, now this is where I copied the text, and you can see I have the Grammarly editor inside, so it can help me to be correcting my mistakes. So that is how to make use of the Grammarly editor and how to log into your accounts. Now back to our premium account. Okay, if you are in Nigeria or anywhere in a developing country where you may not have the opportunity to afford $150 for just a Grammarly premium account, I have an important offer for you. You can get a Grammarly premium account at a very affordable price. Check link in the description of the video below on how to get it. I hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with anybody that you think may find it useful as well. Thank you, and see you in another video.